I want to wash this. There is no zip, nothing, so I have to cut it open so that I'll be able to wash it. It's so dirty. I don't know why they did not put zip. And it's so big, it can't fit inside our washing machine. The only this thing is to cut and sew back. I'm not putting much because it's fine. Look at this. Adios. Inside. Inside. Good boy. Fluffy. Okay. Hello.
Hey.
Yes. Okay, it's time to wash. We're gonna wash it now. This one. Careful. Laundry time. Careful. Come. We're washing. Yeah, put it inside. Good boy. Put this one. Put it.
Oh no.
Good. Put this one. This one. Push it inside. And wait, let me put this one. Should I cut this one open as well now? It's only small. I'm gonna put this one. Inside. Close it. Close. Good. Good job. Good boy. Yeah, close it. We did it. See, daddy's back. See, daddy.
Hey.
Welcome.
Look
Look at your edges.